Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's D Blair Gold. I want to wish all of you a very Merry Christmas. Today I am going to make cookies for Santa. Chocolate chip cookies, some with the nuts. Now these are not homemade cookies, honey. I didn't have enough time for all of that. First of all, I want to show you guys my outfit. So check out your girl. Look at this. Is this the cutest thing? I got boots, and my boots already just happen to have a buckle on the side. Honey, this is an original from No Boundaries from Walmart. Can you believe it? Let me tell you, it's the best 20 bucks I spent. I also want to let you guys know I have a special guest host today that's gonna help me make these cookies for Santa. I have my granddaughter with me. We'll just call her Kay. So let's get started. Sorry you guys, but like I said, they're not homemade, but we're gonna deal with Mr. Doughboy today. Pillsbury cookies with chocolate chips, okay? I have already preheated the oven, 350 degrees. I have my assistant over here. What we're gonna do, we're gonna wash our hands. And we are gonna get these cookies made. In all honesty, I really wanted to be able to make homemade cookies, but it just wasn't gonna work out like this. So, matter of fact, I was gonna make homemade cookies for everybody. Yeah, it didn't work out. Now, we're just gonna start. I have a pan. Oh, guys, see, these are walnuts. I purchased these from Big Lots. They're by Fresh Finds. So, I'm gonna crunch some of these up. So we're gonna put, not in all of them, but in some. Maybe my little helper would like to crunch these up. I'm just gonna put them in like maybe half of these cookies. I like lots of nuts. I wanna put a lot in mine. And I don't know how the recipe, I hope it doesn't come out too dry, you know, you add in something that's already pre-prepared thing. So maybe, let me show you how we can do this fork. I don't know. Yeah. Yeah, put your hand over like this and just do like this, crunch them smaller. Okay, yeah, you take your time with that. You come over on this side. Okay, you switch. Yeah. While my helper is trying to get those walnuts crunched up. Look at this. Say hi, Kobe. Kobe. Kobe, smile for the camera and say, Merry Christmas, everybody. Kobe is so fashionable. Look at this. That's his pajamas on. So that's his new sleepers. I bought him. And that's the cutest thing. And those are from PetSmart. I have to try to figure out the name of them. How are those nuts coming?
Good. Want them smaller?
Let's see. Okay, yes, that's fine. So here we have the nuts. Nice size. Good, thank you. Now what we're gonna do is the main part. Let's get these in the oven. So these are just spoon cookies, as they say. We'll do half and half. Half would be regular or with nuts in them. Okay. All right, so we'll say put those aside. So we just take this spoon and just put some. And spread them out. Okay. I'll do the first couple rows and I'll let my cutie assistant do the others. You notice they were already open because I just wanted a treat. So I opened them up. I said, oh, my lovely friends will understand. So I'll let my assistant do the rest. Let's just put them about this far like that, because they spread out pretty wide. This is gonna be awesome. Just take a big chunk. Good job. And then smash it together if it's too far apart, you know? Yeah. Look at you, your fingers. Your hands are clean. Yeah, just do like this. There we go. Like that. Put them together. I think we have room for 3 more on that pan. Good job. Nice. So Kay is finished putting all the cookies in. So now we're going to put them in the oven. On that second rack. So I forgot to have my earrings on the first time, so they were there on the table. The first batch is in the ovens, and they have to be in there. Look on the package and see how long. I think it's 12 to 15 minutes. I tore the package up, you guys. Yeah.
12 to 15.
Yep, 12 to 15 minutes. So we put them in at, let me get my time. Let me go get my, okay, yes. Okay, it's gonna look at the time.
10:15.
10:15. Okay, good. So we'll check on them in like 12 minutes because I don't like when you open the door sometime, then they fall in the middle and look crazy. I'm going to mix some of the nuts in the other batch and see how that works out. I got this small bowl out. I'm gonna take this, just place it in there. And then I'm gonna open this up a little bit with the spoon. I'm going to put the walnuts in. So that should be enough. We could do like this. And then when that first batch come out, then we'll break these. And hopefully they won't be dry or mess the rest of Pillsbury recipe up. Soften it up. He's supposed to be able to drop these cookies, but I should have let them sit out before I start baking. Okay, could you stir this some more?
Yeah.
Okay, it's gonna mix it up some more. I forgot this part. The whole reason also that I wanted to be festive, this is one of the festive Friday. This was the whole idea also. Even though it's covering my Santa suit, but that's okay. This is what I needed to put on, but I didn't get anything on me, so that's okay, yeah, too. So there we go, boom. Kobe wants to be in the shot. So this is how the apron looks. So let me know, I think I asked this question before, how many of you wear an apron? I know this is old school style, but it just brought back some memories, so I decided to purchase it. Back to the cooking. This is where we can come in and sing some holiday music.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Everywhere we go.
Okay, it's finished. What time is it?
10:21.
We have 6 more minutes left, and then we'll check on the cookies again. I like mine a little medium brown, you know, like toasty. So if they don't look like that, then we'll keep it in there for the 15 minutes. But we don't want to overcook them because we don't want no hard cookies. We try to bite down on them and break our teeth. We're not going there. My assistant said this 20 seconds. Let's turn on this light here, and let's take a look at this. What do you think, assistant? Do they look okay, or we should take them out? There's the timer. See, my assistant's sharp. She set a timer and everything. You think they're ready to come out? How long was it?
12 minutes.
Oh, that was 12. We're going to leave them with 1 more minute. I just don't want them burned, but I don't want them too soft in the middle. So I'm getting this ready so when the cookies are ready and cooled off, my assistant can take some with her. This time it's been a little over a minute. We got to take them out now. Let's get a pop pad. Now excuse my oven. They're a little toasty, huh? I'll just put them on this plate. I'm going to gently remove them. Okay. Let them cool off. Uh-oh. Supposed to wait, huh? I don't like them. Sometimes they stick to the pan, so that's why I know you should wait a little bit, but we're just going to do it like this. All right, I'll let my assistant take the rest of these off. Just hold it tight right here. Pan. Don't touch that pan. I'll hold this. Teamwork.
Okay.
Okay. Boy, she's really good helper. My mouth is already watering. Push those over to the side, please. Yes. So now we're going to drop these cookies into the pan. I hope they come out really nice. Do you think they have to cook longer? What do you think? About the same, because your nuts don't have to cook up. Being silly. Silly Santa. It's your turn. Use the black spatula here.
Okay.
That'll help shape it also. Good job. It's all done, guys. Woo. All right, so time to go into the oven. Use the pop pad.
Oh.
Okay. Hold it really tight. Move, Kobe. It's the second batch. This time we're gonna check it right at 12 minutes. I wanna show you guys this. It's the cutest thing. It says save some cookies for Santa. After the cookies cool, we're gonna place them in here. Guys, the timer just sounded. Let's take a peek at the cookies. Oh yeah, they're ready. Ooh, they look so pretty. My little helper's getting them out. Okay, pull this rack out, baby. Pull the bottom rack out. That's how you do, so you won't risk burning your arm. Okay, there we go. Yeah, she got it. Yay, good job. Oh, they was getting a little toasty around the edges. All right, so we're gonna turn the oven off. Look at that. Ooh, so we'll let those cool a couple of minutes. Looking nice. Well, let's put these over here first. They should be cool now.
Yeah.
Let's see. Oh yeah, they're good and cool. So you can put this in here. My helper will put the rest of the cookies in there. When these cool off, we will add those to the mix. Okay, let me just tidy up a bit. I'm gonna try to separate these. Let's take the broken one out. So we'll put these, just chocolate chip on this side, and put the others with the nuts on the other side. Here, we better taste it. We have to make sure we giving Santa the best cookies. We let it cool about a few minutes. So I'm going to take them and put them, uh-oh, I put the plate away. Oh, great. All right, special moment. Let's wash this plate, dry it, and put the cookies on there. Jingle bell rock. Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah.
Oh, okay. My assistant is going to hand me my apron because I keep forgetting things here. All right. I had to take Mr. Kobe outdoors, so I had to take this off. And I put on a Christmas sweater, and I'm sure I looked a spectacle. But you know what? That's okay. So I bought it for her. I'm gonna wear it. Thank you. So let's put these on here. So I think they still did okay. I didn't know if they were gonna crumble up or what by adding something to Pillsbury's recipe. It probably has that on their package. I didn't even pay attention. It probably have where you could add nuts or something to it. You can finish this. I like cooking for the holidays, especially like cookies or something like this. Sometimes it's cold, like right now it's drizzling outdoors here in California, and it makes it just more cozy. Okay, so we can put that in the sink, not the spatula, just the pan. Yeah, in case it's still hot. I've done that several times before, you guys. Not today, but grabbing the pan when I know I just got out the oven. The cookies have cooled off considerably. Okay, then you get you some for you and your mom. Okay? Put them on that foil. And then, you guys, we have to have some, you know what, with our cookies. We have to leave those for Santa. This one is for me, and this is for Kay. Is this pretty? A co-worker gave this to me. Thank you, Molly. Okay, it's gonna get some cookies. You can give your mom one or two with the nuts, at least one. That's all you want? You give her one more, okay? You need another foil? So she's gonna take these home. She was an excellent helper. And you guys again, I have one granddaughter, so she's number one. So thank you very much for helping. Okay, you guys, so that was our cooking adventure for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I had lots of fun, and especially let my granddaughter came to help me. We're gonna have a good time eating those cookies. All right, so I want to remind you, today is Festive Friday, so if you leave a like and a comment, share this video with one person or any of my videos. Let's see, what am I forgetting? Oh, and if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Please, I would love it if you would join these family. I am going to be making some changes here to the channel, but I hope you guys all stick around, come back and join these family. And you guys remember, be safe out there. Enjoy Christmas. It's a time of sharing and caring. And you guys be kind to each other. Don't eat too many cookies. The drawing is next week. For the prizes, I'm going to draw 5 prizes. I will send them out possibly on the 2nd or 3rd of January. I don't know if I'm going to do a pre-recorded for the 31st or a live. So you just come back, and if you hear your name, then you contact me through either Instagram or Twitter and send me your address, and I will send your gift to you. I will reveal all of the gifts that I'm going to be giving on the 31st. Celebrate with love in your heart and kindness. I thank all of you for stopping by, and I will see you in my next video. Later, Gators. Now, we're gonna put the lid on these. They're nice and cool. I didn't want them to be not cool and then they'll be soggy. But isn't that the cutest? These are cookies for Santa. I hope you like them, Santa. And we'll have you some milk waiting also. I better pour some now because I don't have a little milk and I don't want them drinking all my milk. All right, come here, Santa. We're waiting for you. Also, I wanted to add, stay tuned for Tuesday's video and find out whether or not I finished editing that first draft of the novelette that I was working on. The ones with the walnuts. Let me see.